Guess what, boys? I got nobody with me here today, all by myself. A couple kilometers of walking, and I just got an elk right there. Let's go and check it out. Found him right there. Gonna see if he's done. Doesn't look like he's breathing. Yeah. Right there, he's done. Yes. 2017 elk hunting. I've been around this area for a couple days now, like at least three or four. Cause I've seen some bulls here. I heard a big bull, but that's not the one for sure. We'll be back here, I guess, next year for sure. Alright, cheers guys. Just heard a bunch of elk running through here. Probably got spooked. Now the work begins.
It's up the river. That boat is crazy.
I shot an elk. Look, my dad is right here. And there's another bull bugling really close. Listen, I hope you hear him. Hey guys. There's an elk, and I'm skinning elk right there. Look at this. Look at this. There's an elk. Right there.
Hey, you carry? Yo. You bring down, I'm gonna go to the car. Hey, film me, yo.
Stupid thing. Imagine if not that swan.
Try to hit Alan with that one. Throw it.